this video is going to be about slopes, lines, planes, and all that excitingness. So, common type of problem you're going to see on an SAT is one that asks you to find the equation of a line between 2 points. So the equation of a line between 2 points. And you'll need to know a couple different equations for this. One is the slope, m, is given by y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x of 2 minus x of 1. And the other is the general slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. So they'll never ask you to find a parabolic line or an exponential line. It'll always be a linear function like this. So let's go through an example with two different points. Let's say they give you the point 1 comma negative 3 and the point 5 comma, is that going to be a good number? Yeah, 5 comma 9. And we want to figure out the equation of the line between 2 points and maybe find some attributes about it. So the first thing that we're going to do is find the slope of this line. Well, y sub 2 is the y coordinate. Remember, this is x comma y. So it's the y coordinate of point 2 minus the y coordinate of point 1 over the x coordinate of point 2 minus the x coordinate of point 1. So this will give you 12 over 4 or 3. So our slope equation, this y equals mx plus b over here, can now be written as y is equal to 3x plus b. But at this point, we still don't know what the b is. We have to figure that out. So what I'm going to do is using one of my x coordinates and one of my y coordinates, I'm going to plug in. So I'm going to plug in 9 for the y equals 3 times 5 plus b. Now notice I picked two of the same points. So I can either pick 5 and 9 or 1 and negative 3. I can't interchange between them. So this becomes, sorry, that looks like a negative. It should be dash. So this looks like 9 equals 15 plus b, or b is equal to negative 3. So our full and final equation is y is equal to 3x minus 3. Now, what we can do with this equation is probably more important than the equation itself. An equation might ask us to find x-intercepts. It might also ask us to find y-intercepts. So, in order to find the x-intercept, well, if you think about a coordinate plane over here, where it crosses the x-axis along any of these dashes, y is always 0. That's a flat point where y is equal to 0. So in order to find the x-coordinate, or the x-intercept, you plug in 0 for y. In order to find the y-coordinate, anywhere along these lines, x is always 0. So plug in 0 for x. And this is how you find the equation of a line between 2 points, and then also how you can find useful things like the x-intercept and the y-intercept of that line, the slope of the line, and the y-intercept. Another useful thing is when it's in y equals mx plus b form, the y-intercept is the b variable, and this is negative 6. I will have to remake this video at some point. For now, I will just leave a comment to you.